What's up everyone, it's me, yours truly, John Valencia. Welcome back to True Leisha Diaries. For today, we're going to do a reaction video for the Clash 2024 para sa isa sa pinaka magaling na contender this season. Ito nga ay si Chloe Redondo for her performance of Sarah Geronimo Hits. Ako, exciting to guys, no? May nag-request sa atin na i-check natin si Chloe sa The Clash 2024 kasi sobrang galing daw nito guys. And I heard that she is also from TNT before, Tawag ng Tanghalan sa Showtime. So tignan natin, di ba alam naman natin kapag galing ng Tawag ng Tanghalan, tulad nila John Rex, nila Marian Osabel, they came from Tawag ng Tanghalan and they made it through the Clash. So tignan natin guys kung anong kalibre ito ni Chloe Redondo from the Clash 2024. But before proceed guys, if you're new to this channel, please don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to True Leisha Diaries. So what are we waiting for? Let's go check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1 and go. Here it is guys, Chloe Redondo. Wow, umpisa pa lang ha, plus the outfit. Ikot-ikot lang. Ganda ng low register niya. At pretty. Wow. Ooh. Hold on guys. Oh my god, Chloe is showcasing something here. Parang pang Queen daw na to agad ah. Grabe. And I love the stage of the Clash ngayon. Tignan naman yung piano, merong screen. Diba? Level up ang the Clash. Grabe. Balikan na natin. And she's so pretty. I love the outfit. Ay. Nako, tough contender na to. Tough and top contender. Ganyan. The escalation. Ooh, the belt. Wow. Oh, hold on guys, tinaas niya pa yun. Ganda. Wow. Hold on guys. Oh my god. She is nailing this and Sarah G must be so proud of her. Ang ganda ng arrangement. Tapos yung pagputol niya, yung paggawa niya ng sarili niyang version ng pag-belt is on point as well. Nandun pa rin yung, alam mo, yung tema ng kanta ni Sarah G and the emotion. Plus, the way that she's singing it, you can feel the passion in it. Plus, the outfit, yung tindig. Parang grand champion na agad. Ooh. Wow. Ooh, namali ba siya doon? Ang pretty niya. Sila Christian nga pala yung judge dito. Miss Lani. Tapos si Miss Ai Ai. Wow! Hold on guys. Di ba binibiting ko din kayo? Oo. Kasi grabe. She's so versatile. The vocals, you know, the high notes, yung fast beat lyrics. She's nailing it and she's on point. At ito nga, bibirit. Tinataas pa guys. Balikan natin content. Ganda nun yung slope. Wow! bumabardagol si Akla. There you have it, guys. That is Chloe Redondo singing Sarah G hits on the Clash 2024. Oh my gosh. She is something. She is proving something. Oh my God, ba't pa hindi natin na-reactan yung mga umpisang performance ito, guys? I-comment nyo ano ba yung trending performance ito ni Chloe. For sure, she's one of the trending contestant of the Clash. And I wanted to see more of her. I want to see more of her performance. Grabe yun, the arrangement, bagay na bagay sa boses niya. The outfit, the way she's singing it. May mga parts lang doon na parang medyo nag-aano siya, nafo-focus siya doon sa kung saan siya bibirit. But very minimal lang. The rest of the performance, talagang mapapawaw ka the way that she's doing it and nailing every high notes, the belt, yung control, yung dynamics, plus the run. Sobrang galing. So, nakaka-excite. And ano na ba? Semi-finals na ba to ng The Clash? Is it a Final Four? Nako. Kasi alam ko parang weeks or months nang nag-run ang The Clash 2024. But yeah, definitely I'll be more than willing to check more of her performance or kung sino man ng mga bit niya sa The Clash. I-comment nyo yung mga bonggang performance. Kasi itong The Clash, kakaiba tong singing contest na to kasi talagang ang inaano nila yung mga bumabardagol ng high notes, ganyan, mga bumipirit ng bongga, pang queendom, pang majesty, pang kingdom, ganyan, para sa AOS, di ba nakaka-excite? If she will win, she can be part of the queendom, di ba? Grabe. Ako nakaka-excite yan. And of course, kung nag-enjoy kayo, don't forget to like our video and also subscribe to True the Asia Diaries. Once again, my name is John. This is True the Asia Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.